There's one thing that always works when trying to lose weight, regardless of your body type or eating habits. Hi, this is Kelly from Isolator Fitness, and welcome to our channel. I am excited today to talk about meal prepping for weight loss successfully, even if you've tried everything. I love talking about this topic because whether you're totally new to meal prepping or have already tried and failed, it will work for you. I'm going to break down meal prepping for weight loss into a simple system that my team and I have used to help over 50,000 men and women of all our ages. Our meal prep methods will save you time, money, and support your weight loss goals. So let's get started. The first step is getting yourself a Sam's Club or Costco membership because we are going to talk about the importance of buying in bulk. When meal prepping for weight loss, it is a good idea to always buy in bulk to save money on the food you're going to prepare. You don't need to worry about buying too much since you will prepare everything ahead of time and store the rest in a fridge or freezer until you're ready for more prepping. That's why a big box store membership will go a long way to save you money on meal prep, especially when it comes to your meats. Another little tip on deciding what to prep is don't make it harder on yourself by getting too adventurous right off the bat. This is a common problem people face. Obviously, because trying new recipes can be fun, but it can also be overwhelming to try to make enough for an entire week. Also, don't make foods you don't like because you will not eat it. I do not care who told you that food is going to make you insta-skinny. It will not change how it tastes. Now, let's talk about the importance of a grocery list. Making a detailed list and sticking to it will keep you on track and prevent you from getting things you don't need or you didn't plan on getting in the first place. If you are meal prepping for an entire week, making a grocery list, of course, is going to be essential to your success. And when in doubt, remember the big three when meal prepping: proteins, carbs, and fats. To help you with this, we provided a grocery list just for you. All you have to do is click the link below the description and get your free copy today. Now that you're home from the store and done meal planning, it's time to get meal prepping. When figuring out portion size, let your hand be the guide. For protein, women should have at least one palm-sized serving, whereas men should have 2. For carbs, women should have 1 cupped hand-sized serving of carbs, whereas men should have 2. And as for veggies, 1 fist-sized serving is recommended for women, whereas men should have at least 2. The secret key of meal prepping is individual storage, meaning each meal gets portioned into its own container. Do not get lazy and store your food in one container and think you can take one meal every day. This will lead to overeating and just plain giving up. Sticking to these 3 key points when meal prepping will ensure that you are on track to your weight loss goals. And for more information on meal prepping, head to the next video where we get into more secrets of meal prepping.